In Vogue Rejuvenation and Body Sculpting Center, a relaxing experience in beauty enhancement. Dr. Ann Hale uses the latest in body sculpting and facial rejuvenation technology, revitalizing your confidence, restoring your essence with minimal downtime. And our custom weight loss plans help you keep the look you want.
My experience at In Vogue has been life-changing.
The staff is great. They're just like family.
Visit us at In Vogue, where old-fashioned values meet today's technology.
If you're frustrated by not meeting your weight loss goals, you've come to the right place. Your physician is a member of the Center for Medical Weight Loss, the largest network of weight loss physicians in the U.S., comprised of some of the country's top physicians of all specialties. CMWL physicians offer the most effective programs available. Your CMWL physician has specialized training in weight loss, nutrition, and fitness, and understands the complex factors related to weight gain, including individual psychology, medical conditions, hormone imbalances, medications, and body composition, and will customize a weight loss approach for your specific needs. Special offers are available for all new patients. Just ask our staff for details. Why should your physician supervise your weight loss? Because being overweight or obese isn't just an appearance problem, it's a medical problem as well. Being overweight directly causes over 53 diseases: heart disease, high blood pressure, stroke, cancer, to name a few. In other words, obesity causes the type of problems your doctor is trained to diagnose and treat. If you're overweight or obese, you're not alone. In fact, our country's in the midst of an obesity epidemic. In 2005, the government declared obesity to be a chronic disease. Obesity is the second leading preventable cause of death in the U.S., killing more than 300,000 people each year. Studies show losing just 5% of your present weight can give you more energy and better overall health. For someone weighing 200 pounds, losing just 10 pounds could decrease the risk of diabetes, heart attack, and many types of cancer. If you need to lose weight, your CMWL physician can help. CMWL physician-directed weight loss programs are customized and based on your individual metabolism for optimum results. Ask our staff about our CMWL body composition analysis and a personal weight loss consultation with the doctor. Find a weight loss plan that's right for you. Your physician will help you decide which program is right for you and provide all the tools you'll need for success. It just takes a few simple tests to determine your individual needs and ask about our special offers for new patients. CMWL nutritional products are specially formulated for rapid weight loss and are the highest quality products, specially designed to reduce hunger, increase your metabolism, and help you keep weight off long term. CMWL nutritional products are only available through a physician. Achieve the weight loss success you've always wanted. 99% of patients who follow the CMWL program lose weight and maintain weight loss after 1 year. Ask our staff how you can start a personalized CMWL weight loss program today. And find out how much weight you can lose in just 6 weeks. Schedule a consultation to learn more. Your doctor and the Center for Medical Weight Loss. It's weight loss with a degree of difference. A medical degree.
There is a major new high-tech advance in one of the most popular cosmetic procedures in the United States.
A breakthrough new way to melt fat and tighten skin has just been cleared by the FDA.
There's a brand new way to get rid of unwanted fat.
People are buzzing with the news of Cynossure's revolutionary Smart Lipo, the industry's first laser body sculpting system to offer a minimally invasive procedure for the removal of fat.
For this procedure, a doctor inserts a small tube with a laser under the skin.
This is a major breakthrough.
You ever wish that you could just melt away the fat?
This is going to be the gold standard.
A lot of the A-list stars are coming in for this procedure.
How does Smart Lipo help celebrity cougars lose 2 to 3 dress sizes in a single session?
Women my age, no matter what we do, either exercising or being on a diet, we always have that spot that it's hard to get rid of.
I have 2 children, and everyone knows after kids, your body doesn't exactly snap back. I know I'm speaking for a lot of women out there. They all have the same problem areas. So it was around my stomach and sides. They've gotten a little out of control.
Finally, there is a solution.
A brand new treatment called Smart Lipo.
I saw the fat around my abdomen disappear, and the skin does become dramatically tighter.
Smart Lipo is a new type of laser technology. We call it minimally invasive laser surgery. What we do with Smart Lipo is melt fat with a laser, but also at the same time we tighten the skin.
You can remove fat from your body in less than 40 minutes. Take a look at this.
The new laser body sculpting procedure permanently destroys fat cells and tightens the surrounding skin with significantly less downtime and side effects than traditional liposuction.
What we do with Smart Lipo is we make tiny incisions. They're so small, in fact, that we don't even have to suture them.
This is such a soft, gentle technique. It's like playing a violin.
Hi, Renata. How are you? One of the things that I love about this procedure is that it's gentle and precise.
No pain, nothing.
Really?
Yes.
And the small size of the equipment that's used to carry the laser beam, which melts or liquefies the fat, is as thin as a strand of uncooked angel hair pasta.
And I love the results too.
Oh, good.
I love
Let's
it.
see.
The laser causes small blood vessels to coagulate immediately, resulting in less bleeding, bruising, and swelling. Smart Lipo is ideal for treating localized deposits of unwanted fat and fat tissue irregularities on the face and body. In addition,
it allows us to tighten the skin where we could not really do this at all with traditional liposuction.
This is the first thing I'm really excited about that's really going to make a significant change in the result.
patients can finally obtain the body shape they've wanted with very little downtime.
It was easier than I thought it would be. And the downtime, there was really no downtime at all. I had the procedure on a Saturday. The next day I didn't take any painkillers at all. And I was back to work actually the very next day. So it was great.
Before Smart Lipo, often patients would not consider liposuction because of the associated pain and significant recovery period.
The regular liposuction, the pain, what scared me, and scarring that would occur after the liposuction. When I heard about the Smart Lipo, I knew that scarring would be very, very small. Now I wouldn't have to wear the garment for a month or 2 months afterwards, and the pain would be minimal.
Laser liposuction can be done right in the doctor's office with just local anesthesia.
Unlike the traditional method of liposuction, which requires that patients are put out under general anesthesia, Smart Lipo uses local anesthesia.
A major advantage of Smart Lipo is patients can actually be awake during the procedure.
The overwhelming comment from patients who have had the procedure is that the recovery is just wonderful. There's hardly any pain at all. They're able to get back to their activities of normal living within a day or two.
It's a great opportunity to be able to work something off that I haven't been able to do myself at the gym.
It's just nice that you can go in your closet and put anything on and everything will look good.
It's quick, It's simple.
I'm very happy. Huge difference.
Oh, I'm coming back for more. It makes my clothes look a lot better. They fall a lot better, and I think I look great.
Once people hear about it, they just come in and say, I want Smart Lipo. Sign me up.
The new Smart Lipo laser body sculpting does what no fitness routine in the world can, permanently reduces fat.
The results of Smart Lipo are forever. It lasts. I mean, when you destroy fat cells, they're gone for good.
Smart Lipo, in the doctor's office one day, turning heads the next.
I'm ecstatic.
For more information on how Smart Lipo can transform your body, schedule a consultation with your doctor today.
In Vogue Rejuvenation and Body Sculpting Center, a relaxing experience in beauty enhancement. Dr. Ann Hale uses the latest in body sculpting and facial rejuvenation technology, revitalizing your confidence, restoring your essence with minimal downtime. And our custom weight loss plans help you keep the look you want.
My experience at In Vogue has been life-changing.
The staff is great. They're just like family.
Visit us at In Vogue, where old-fashioned values meet today's technology.
Smart Skin. The #1 anti-aging breakthrough is helping women and men, especially baby boomers, rejuvenate and restore their skin. Smart Skin is the revolutionary laser skin renewal treatment, delivering results like this, without surgery. Wrinkles, fine lines, sunspots, larger pores, even acne scars can be replaced by a more youthful, smoother look in your face, neck, chest, and hands.
Well, having been a California native and a sun worshiper, and my job takes me outdoors, and I'm an equestrian, so I'm outside with my animals all the time. My skin was getting abused daily.
I try to, because of my light skin, hide from the sun, but the sun damage that occurs when you spend that much time outdoors was significant.
My mother kept telling me, you're going to ruin your skin. And of course I didn't listen to her, and later on I got dark spots on my face, and I could tell that my skin needed some help.
So when I looked at my skin, I saw thinning, I saw fine rhytids or wrinkles around my eyes.
I had developed severe acne, and it scarred my skin to the point where it left really deep highs and lows.
You may have tried over-the-counter products or other aesthetic treatments.
I tried a lot of creams, things I'd read about in the newspapers or ads I'd get in the mail, and they really didn't work wonders. So I pretty much stopped doing it after a while.
The microdermabrasion and the micropeel just didn't give me the results that I was looking for.
As a physician, I am so excited to offer patients a way of smoothing their wrinkles and tightening their skin, treating their age spots, their brown discoloration, giving them smoother skin without taking them to the operating room.
I was looking for that next level of results that I thought I could achieve without any invasive type of skin surgery.
The Smart Skin treatment is the perfect solution. It combines 2 treatments in one, reversing the signs of aging and photo damage by rejuvenating and resurfacing the skin. This is all done in your doctor's office with topical anesthetic. During the procedure, your doctor applies a series of tiny laser pulses to your skin. The strength of these pulses is customized according to your outcome expectations and your downtime needs. As these microscopic points heal, new, younger-looking skin is revealed, and collagen growth is stimulated deep within. For most, there's very little downtime.
I had a Smart Skin treatment 3 weeks ago. I did it on a Friday night after working all week, and within a week I had new skin.
I had my procedure done on a Tuesday, and by Saturday I was at a 50th birthday party for my friends, and they were all remarking how great my skin looked.
I had the procedure done 5 days ago.
The results of Smart Skin are very exciting. First of all, to have patients come in and to see them have vibrant skin in a matter of days to at most a week is revolutionary. Smart Skin is a perfect treatment for the neck and chest. It can make a woman feel confident from the décolletage area all the way up to the top of their head.
Here's what people have to say about Smart Skin results.
I feel wonderful about the results that we've achieved with the Smart Skin.
You really see the difference in the skin. It's a lot smoother. I can feel it.
My patients are very excited about their results. I mean, they feel like it's taken 10, sometimes even 20 years off of the life of their skin.
I feel very good about the Smart Skin. I've gotten lots and lots of compliments.
It really has changed my life. It benefited my eyes, benefited my forehead, benefited anything that I had on the sides, and all the slightest sun damage is now gone. So it's almost like it's a whole new face.
I'm a walking testimonial to the results.
Happy patients are spreading the word about Smart Skin.
I would recommend Smart Skin because it's exactly that. You get back some really smart skin.
Well, to other men, I would say, bite the bullet, just do it. I have a host of friends that I'm going to be seeing here shortly, and I'm sure they'll be lined up and ready to go.
This is something that is efficacious for patients of all ages, all skin types. So I have a lot of confidence recommending Smart Skin to my patients.
I'm very pleased with my results.
The absolute best thing about Smart Skin treatment is that it changes your look. It gives you back the young, healthy skin that you had before we all went out and abused our skins by worshiping the sun.
I love my results. I look at my face and go, this is exactly what I wanted.
I said if you're looking in the mirror and you see yourself and you wish something could be done, the best thing you could do for yourself is to get the Smart Skin treatment.
The best thing for me about the Smart Skin treatment is the results. I basically have an entirely new face at 48 years old.
Ask your doctor about the Smart Skin treatment today.
Defying lines as a woman, that's sort of our focus as we get older.
I first started to see fine lines in my early 30s. I noticed my parentheses getting a little more prominent and fine lines around the corners of my mouth. I realized I needed to start changing my routine when a friend posted a reunion photo of me on Facebook. Frankly, I was a little more than surprised at the lines and the wrinkles on my face compared to my other classmates. A friend mentioned to me that she was considering getting a filler. I didn't know too much about it, other than it was injected into the face to fill wrinkles and folds.
Personally, I wanted something that was not invasive, natural looking, and subtle. And I felt like you could get that with this, with the Juvederm XC.
What interested me about treatment with Juvederm XC, well, a number of things. Number one, I see, the process of time in my face a little bit. I see things that, have a little more lines.
My doctor told me that some fillers were made from hyaluronic acid, or HA. Over time, sunlight and other things can reduce the amount of HA in my skin and cause it to lose its structure, creating wrinkles. I originally discussed treating just my parenthesis lines with my doctor. During our consultation, she informed me that Juvederm XC also works on my vertical lip lines, my marionette lines, as well as my corner lines. I decided to go for it all and get all 4 areas treated. I was concerned about the outcome. Maybe the doctor would give me too much and the results wouldn't look natural. The actual injections were about 5 minutes. It was much faster than I thought it would be. It's definitely something I could have gotten on my lunch hour. Yes, I'd get treated again. I've done my homework on Juvederm XC, and now I've seen the results for myself. I'd definitely return in a year for another treatment to maintain my look.
Oh my gosh, the results have just been amazing. I'm so happy with them because it is so natural looking, and I have actually had people say, what did you do?
I feel like my facial features reflect how I feel on the inside. Juvederm XC really diminished the look of these wrinkles. This area is smoother and still natural looking.
Approved use. Juvederm XC injectable gel is for injection into areas of facial tissue where moderate to severe facial wrinkles and folds occur to temporarily add volume to the skin, especially around the nose and mouth. Important safety information. Are there any reasons why I should not receive Juvederm XC? Do not use the product if you have severe allergies with a history of severe allergic reactions, anaphylaxis, or if you are allergic to lidocaine or the proteins, gram-positive bacterial proteins, used to make the hyaluronic acid, HA, in Juvederm XC. What precautions should my doctor advise me about? The safety of Juvederm XC injectable gel for use during pregnancy and women who are breastfeeding or in patients with very thin skin in the cheek area has not been studied. The safety for use in patients under 18 years has not been studied. The safety and effectiveness for treatment in areas other than facial wrinkles and folds, such as lips, have not been established. The safety for use in patients with a history of excessive scarring or pigmentation disorders has not been studied and may result in additional scars or changes in pigmentation. Tell your doctor if you are on therapy used to decrease the body's immune response, immunosuppressive therapy. Use may result in an increased risk of infection. Tell your doctor if you are using medications that can prolong bleeding, such as aspirin, ibuprofen, or other blood thinners. As with any injection, this may result in increased bruising or bleeding at the injection site. If laser treatment, chemical peel, or any other procedure based on active dermal response is considered after treatment, or if the product is administered before the skin is healed completely, there is a possible risk of an inflammatory reaction at the treatment site. As with all skin injection procedures, there is a risk of infection. What are possible side effects? The most commonly reported side effects for Juvederm XC injectable gel were temporary injection site redness, swelling, pain, tenderness, firmness, lumps, bumps, bruising, itching, and discoloration. They were predominantly mild or moderate in nature and lasted 7 days or less. To report a problem with Juvederm XC, please call Allergan Product Surveillance at 1-800-624-4261. For more information, please see the About Safety page at www.juvederm.com or call the Allergan Medical Information Line at 1-800-433-8871. Juvederm XC injectable gel is available by prescription only.
A painless way to get rid of your pooch? Sound too good to be true? Well, let's go to the procedure room to see a new treatment in action with Dr. Worden. Take it away, my friend.
That's right. There is a new treatment on the block for ridding those so-called figure faults that so many of us have. And Dr. Palm, Melanie, is back with us as our guest expert, and she's brought a delightful patient guest, Paige. Now, Paige, you were telling me you're a spinner. Yep. You do your yoga a couple times a week, but you have a couple of areas that are bothering you. Tell us about that.
Yes. Well, it's just you're working out, you're eating well, and it's not going away.
So specifically, what areas, if you could?
The stomach.
The tummy,
stomach
a little bit of a pooch. All right,
Yes.
Dr. Palm, what do you have for us?
So we have something called Vanquish, which is really new in its field of radio frequency. This is non-contact. It actually hovers over her body, and it heats up the fat cells to a point about 120 degrees Fahrenheit, where a certain amount of them undergo apoptosis, or controlled cell death.
Apoptosis. You're melting the fat, but the question is actually she getting the treatment now?
She is. It's quiet, isn't it?
Yes.
It seems like nothing is happening. It's
This
one of those,
really is.
It's
because
heaven. And because of its high tuning ability for fat specifically, it does not affect the overlying skin. It doesn't affect the underlying organs. It really just heats up the fat.
But in Paige's case, it's just that little pooch, and we do have some photos that you were nice enough to bring from the study that show what kind of results Paige can look forward to.
And these are actually my own patients.
Okay.
So inches lost between about 1.5 inches and 4 inches. This patient, I believe, lost 2 inches off of her waistline. So this is really for someone hoping to lose like a pant size.
Let's start this machine. Now, this is the thing. Whoopi was part of a clinical trial. She was part of a test group.
That's right.
Look at this.
And I have to tell you, I don't sit still for anything. This works so well, and you have no issues with it.
So tell us about it, Dr. Day.
This is called Vanquish. It uses radio frequency in a whole different way. It's called multipolar. You can see from the picture how the bands go across under the skin, and it targets deep tissue, and it heats it. Now, the tissue I'm targeting is fat.
Is that why Whoopi's always so hot?
She is hot anyway.
When I tell you,
this is it. Yeah, that's it.
And it gets hot. It gets hot.
You just feel hot. So now I'm tuning it to her fat,
right.
And I control the tuning, so I can target the fat very efficiently.
So you're targeting the fat, just kind of melting the fat?
No pain. You're permanently destroying it. So you're melting it, but the fat is destroyed.
Does that mean that her waistline, if she loses the 2 inches, it's not coming back?
It's not coming back.
Hell,
it's
y'all.
gone. And it's also the largest.
Oh my gosh, we love it.
Let me tell you.
Whoopi, what?
Let me tell you something. I'm not a big one for products and stuff. This machine is magnificent.
We'll be right back.
A painless way to get rid of your pooch? Sound too good to be true? Well, let's go to the procedure room to see a new treatment in action with Dr. Worden. Take it away, my friend.
That's right. There is a new treatment on the block for ridding those so-called figure faults that so many of us have. And Dr. Palm, Melanie, is back with us as our guest expert, and she's brought a delightful patient, guest Paige. Now, Paige, you were telling me you're a spinner.
Yep.
You do your yoga a couple times a week, but you have a couple of areas that are bothering you. Tell us about that.
Yes. Well, it's just you're working out, you're eating well, and it's not going away.
So specifically, what areas, if you could?
The stomach.
The tummy,
stomach
a
area.
little bit of a pooch. All right,
Yes.
Dr. Palm, what do you have for us?
So we have something called Vanquish, which is really new in its field of radio frequency. This is non-contact. It actually hovers over her body, and it heats up the fat cells to a point about 120 degrees Fahrenheit, where a certain amount of them undergo apoptosis, or controlled cell death.
Apoptosis. You're melting the fat, but the question is she getting the treatment now?
She is. It's quiet, isn't it?
Yes.
It seems like nothing is happening. It's
This
one of those-
really is.
It's
Because
heaven.
And because of its high tuning ability for fat specifically, it does not affect the overlying skin. It doesn't affect the underlying organs. It really just heats up the fat.
But in Paige's case, it's just that little pooch, and we do have some photos
We do.
that you were nice enough to
Yes.
bring from the study that show what kind of results Paige can look forward to.
And these are actually my own patients.
Okay.
So inches lost between about 1.5 inches and 4 inches. This patient, I believe, lost 2 inches off of her waistline. So this is really for someone hoping to lose like a pant size.
So you should see what it's done to my stomach. Oh my God, look at this. Look at here. This is loose. All right, let's start this machine. Now, this is the thing. Whoopi was part of a clinical trial. She was part of a test group.
That's right.
Look at this.
And I have to tell you, I don't sit still for anything.
Is this on?
This works so well, and you have no issues with it.
So tell us about it, Dr.
So
Day.
this is called Vanquish. It uses radio frequency in a whole different way. It's called multipolar. You can see from the picture how the bands go across under the skin, and it targets deep tissue, and it heats it. Now, the tissue I'm targeting is fat.
Is that why Whoopi's always so hot?
She is hot anyway.
When I tell you,
This is it?
Yeah, that's it.
and it
That's all
gets
you
hot.
doing?
It gets hot.
You just feel
It
hot.
gets
So now I'm
heat.
tuning it to her fat,
Right.
and I control the tuning, so I can target the fat very efficiently.
So you're targeting the fat,
And
just
take
kind of
half an
melting
hour.
the fat?
No pain. You're permanently destroying it. So you're melting it, but the fat is destroyed.
Does that
It's
mean
gone.
that her waistline, if she loses the 2 inches, it's not coming back?
It's not coming
Well,
back.
I mean,
in next month.
hell,
It's
yo.
gone. And it's
Very good.
also the largest.
Oh my gosh, we love it.
Let me tell you.
Whoopi, what?
Let me tell you something. I'm not a big one for products and stuff. This machine is magnificent.
We'll be right back.